Mangoes. Do you like them? I do. Mangoes are one of my favorite fruits. I'm going to show you how I made this delicious mangonadas. Stay tuned. I was first introduced to mangonadas by one of my coworkers who's from Mexico. From the first time I tried it, I was hooked for life. The mixture of spice, sweet, and sour together was a perfect combination. Mangonada has its origin in Mexico, of course. If you like mangoes and spice, you are sure to enjoy this. We're gonna start off by peeling our mango. It's fall now in New York and it's really hard to get fresh, delicious mangoes, but I was lucky enough to get this one. I'm trying to peel the mango not too deep because I don't want to waste any of this delicious goodness. This mango skin is pretty thin, so I have to be very careful to get it just right. We're in New York, so of course you're gonna hear some sirens going by. Sounds like an ambulance. Now I'm just going to make slices straight down the mango. You could cut this anyhow you want it. It doesn't have to be like this, but this is how I prefer it to be. I think it's because this is how I see the fruit vendors cut the mangoes, so I'm like, okay, I'm trying to make it as authentic as I possibly can, and I'm trying to do it the same way. I'm not wasting any bits of this mango. I'm getting all the sides. I'm cutting up every single part of this mango to get all the juicy. This mango was so sweet. It was really nice and sweet, and afterwards I definitely had to eat the mango seed itself. Now here we have a persimmon. Persimmon is one of those fruits that you could find every fall. It's one of my favorite fall fruits. What I like about it to the taste is a little bit crunchy, and I like them firm. I don't like them when they're overripe. There's some people who like them when they're very soft. I'm not that kind of girl. I like my persimmons when they're nice and hard, just like this. Isn't that a beautiful design? And yes, we're just gonna cut that up into pieces and add it to our mangoes. For your safety, you should definitely cut your fruits on a cutting board. I'm Jamaican and we cut everything in our hand. Don't follow me, okay? Cut everything on the cutting board. Be safe. I have a key lime. Now, I like to roll the key limes between my hands, just like this, to get it nice and soft. That way you'll get more juice out of it. So I'm gonna cut this open. And the thing about key limes, they have seeds. Yes, they do. So be careful when you're squeezing a key lime. Not to get any of the seeds on the fruits, but even if it falls in, you could always remove them. So we're adding the key lime all over the mangoes. Now I only used the half of a key lime. If you prefer, you could use the entire key lime. Now I'm adding some chamoy. It's like a sweet and spicy hot sauce, and I'm going in with some Tajin. Now you use as much as you prefer. I had to add a little bit of the more of the chamoy because I do like it spicy. I also have a pomegranate because it's also pomegranate season. During the fall months, you're able to get persimmons and pomegranates and pears. So I'm like, okay, let me just add some more fruits to the mix. It's not gonna hurt, and pomegranates are filled with antioxidants, which, you know, it's very good for me. So my technique is cut it in half and then use a spoon and just beat it. Beat it like a drum. Just hit the bottom of the persimmons, and look, the seeds will come out just like that. So simple and easy. And I'm just adding that to my mangoes, and it looks so pretty. It just gives it a nice pop. And then I'm just going to add another piece of the persimmons, and that's it. This is a quick, simple, easy recipe. I will list all the ingredients below. If you're not following me, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I drop a new video.